Hello everyone, welcome to our new video where today we're going to be checking out the top 5 best acoustic guitars. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and please keep in mind that these guitars are cheap ones, so they are not professional. You can find similar guitars in $1,000 price range, but I didn't list them here, so yeah. You can find all these guitars down in the description below. Let's start. At number 5 we have the Jasmine S35. The Jasmine S35 is a great looking dreadnought guitar with a big, bold sound and excellent features that represent exceptional value. This guitar is perfect choice for people that are looking for a guitar that is easy to play. If you are a beginner, then this guitar will be the best choice because it's affordable and can be played by almost anyone. It comes with phosphor bronze strings and has a beautiful satin finish, so generally this guitar looks amazing. At number 4 we have the Epiphone DR100. This guitar is one of the Epiphone's best sellers, and if you do some research we can see exactly why. It is beautiful, lightweight and has a great build quality. It's a great guitar that can play many types of music such as folk, rock, country and everything in between. It has the Adario strings, which are top quality guitar strings, and you can buy this guitar in 3 different finishes: the Ebony, Natural and Vintage Sunburst colors. At number 3 we have the Fender CD60. The Fender CD60 guitar is great for beginner style playing. The guitar plays very clear, crisp notes and sounds like a top-notch guitar. What I like about this guitar is that it has a lot of different versions and colors, so you can pick the one you like and match it to the rest of your musical setup. Overall, the Fender CD60 is a great beginner guitar because it's pretty durable and it's easy to play. So, if you are someone that has never touched a guitar before, you should consider getting the Fender CD60 because it has everything that a beginner player needs in a guitar. At number 2 we have the Seagull S6, which is a great looking and great sounding guitar. This guitar is a bit more expensive compared to the other guitars on this list, but if you have the money for it, I'd definitely say that it's worth it. If you are a beginner, you should probably go with a cheaper guitar, but if you have the money and want quality, this is definitely the correct one. It feels amazing and it is very easy to play. It's extremely high quality too, so it basically has everything you would ask for in a guitar. I don't know if I mentioned, but this guitar is also pretty durable, so if you purchase this guitar, it will last you for a long time. So if you are someone that breaks things easily, this one is a good choice for you. At number 1 we have the Yamaha FG840. The Yamaha FG840 is another guitar which has a lot of options you can choose from. You can choose from 5 different styles, 2 different sizes and 10 different colors. Yamaha is known to produce amazing guitars, and they have done so for the past 50 years. It's pretty loud and has a lot of bass on the sound. This makes it possible for you to be able to play many different types of genres with this guitar, and if you are someone who likes to do so, then don't look further, because with a Yamaha FG840 you can play almost every type of music. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and leave a comment below, and also like the video. You can find links to all these acoustic guitars down in the description below, and if you got any questions, leave a comment and I'll see you next time. Take care.